Let's talk about Karen Read. So recently the judge in the Karen Read trial has allowed the dog expert who had testified in the first trial about the wounds on John's right arm. The defense has spread a theory that Karen Read was framed, essentially by the Canton Police Department. The defense is claiming that John O'Keefe was attacked by the Albert's German Shepherd, Chloe. That after Karen Read dropped him off there and left, that he proceeded to go inside, and then there was an altercation with their dog that bit and attacked him, and then also he got in a physical fight with several of the officers there, who then proceeded to frame Karen Read. And so they, according to them, then took his body and left it on their front lawn. So with all the combined experience of law enforcement, they went into some elaborate lengths to cover up the crime and to frame Karen Read. But they leave his body in her front yard, okay, with his phone, leaving him there to die. So Dr. Marie Russell is the emergency room physician who is allegedly a dog bite expert, but she's not an expert at all in dog bites. In fact, she has no experience with canines or any specialty in forensics or medical experience with regards to dog bites or any type of bites. So the judge recently made a decision that she's going to allow Dr. Russell to continue to testify in the second trial. I have no idea how this woman was allowed to testify as an expert, how people keep referring to her as an expert. So if you're a supposed bite expert, what is the first thing that you are going to do? Well, if you guess take a mold of the teeth, you are 100% correct. So watch this clip from the trial of the cross-examination of Dr. Marie Russell by the prosecution. And please, please, please pay extra careful attention of Karen Read's face and the little surprise, the little surprise that they have for her there. Just watch Karen Read's face. It's priceless.
The expert failed to consider all of the evidence.
And that was evident in the cross-examination, including the red plastic on John O'Keefe's shirt, no dog DNA detected, and no comparison between Chloe the dog, her teeth, and marks on John O'Keefe's arm. That was a shocking piece of evidence that we learned about during that two-day hearing, that investigators actually made molds of Chloe's mouth.
Did you ever discuss going to see Chloe and doing these studies on Chloe so you could see if they were dissimilar to these abrasions?
I was asked to evaluate the wounds.
Do you know that Chloe exists, that we provided notice to you, that we went up and saw Chloe and took molds? Did you know that?
Objection, Your Honor.
Did you know that? Going to allow it. Did you know that, doctor?
I do know that now.
Now that you know that Chloe's available, wouldn't those molds be helpful? Wouldn't you want to look at them and compare them to the distances on the abrasions on Mr. O'Keefe's arm?
Objection, Your Honor.
I don't think it's necessary for many reasons.